Hey, what's up you guys? And we are about to make coffee jelly. Dachi. Hi, Dachi. Hi there. Coffee jelly. Di pa, gagawa pa lang. Yes, still sleepy? What are we going to do now?
Coffee jelly.
Energy!
Coffee jelly. What is up? Ano ba naman? Ang hirap pag-intro kapag sobrang tagal pa lang hindi nag-vlog. What is up guys? It's your boy KC Gardner coming at you with another vlog and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you can see, we are having a special guest again. Nagkasawa na ba kayo sa mukha niya? Lahat ng vlog ko kasama siya. So if you don't know him yet, is
Sean Kirby.
Sean Kirby. So today we are going... Ano ba? Bakit di ba nalabas? Ayan. So today we are going to make a coffee jelly. So I know it's not the best time to make a coffee jelly right now because it's already 8:30 p.m. So good luck sa aming sleeping schedule again. So ayun, Sean, bago tayo magsimula, meron akong hindi pa sinasabi sa iyo. This is going to be a challenge. It is not just going to be a cooking vlog. I know you already know the recipe, and the ingredients and everything else. Pero ang challenge ko sa iyo ay hindi ka pa pwedeng tumingin sa recipe at ingredients. So lahat yan, gagawin mo natin ng plain stock knowledge na, okay?
Hashtag basic.
Basic lang ha. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging lasa later. Pero bago tayo magsimula, meron akong gift sa'yo. Ano mo ba ka na? Okay. Yan. We're going to be chefs. Ay, bakit ganun? Chef ba yan? O bakit para tayo... Ano?
Para tayo obispo.
Para tayo magsasamba. Bibigay na. Para tayo Santo Papa. Okay, we'll be starting in 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, Sean, ano nga ba ang mga ingredients natin for the coffee jelly?
So we have, syempre,
Coffee. Fun fact, mas maganda kung brewed coffee ang gagamitin nyo. And this is from SAGADA. If you haven't watched our SAGADA vlog yet, make sure to check it down below.
2 packs of gulaman, vanilla syrup,
Vanilla
or vanilla
flavor.
extract. We have 2 cans of Alaska condensed or evaporated milk, 2 cans of condensed milk.
Dito sponsored ha. So, hindi namin pinapakita yung... kunyari, hindi namin napapakita yung brand. And last but not the least, na pampasarap
This is the secret ingredient.
secret pero pinapakita namin.
2 box of cream cheese.
Nabawas na yung isa kasi ginawa kong baon. Diba? So that's it. Basically, that's just the main ingredients of coffee jelly. Yung iba pa hindi namin dinadagdag pang iba. Pero for today, that's it. Yeah. We'll start with... First things first, water. Hot water. Kuloyin ba natin? Ito para magiging okay yun.
Then of course, we're going to put 1 spoon first
Dami.
of coffee. Let's wait for, I think, 5 to 10 minutes.
Update, natapunan ako kayo sa tubig.
What?
Natapunan ako sa init na tubig.
What are you doing?
Binubuhos ko kasi dito. So para sa jelly nga pala yun. Now, we'll make the sabaw or the basta yun. Yung sabaw na nagpapasarap. So usually naman, isa lang naman lasa ng mga coffee jelly, diba? I mean yung jelly. Gulat ako.
So, we're going to open the can of evaporated milk.
Mga pala, nahugas ba tayo ng kamay? Kasi ako hindi.
Yes. Openin namin yung 4 cans. Make sure na yung cream cheese is placed under room temperature. My God, bawas na sila parehas. Sino kaya ang salarin?
Daga.
Malaking daga. So we're going to pour.
So now we're going to put the cream cheese. Tama ba?
Yeah. One by one first. Ayan.
Actually, may takip to eh. So, hindi ko makita yung takip. Para lang natin ang kamay natin.
Wait. Tapos na. You can see the consistency. You can see the consistency.
Tamis! Right now, we are going to pour the gulaman. Sigurado ka ba tama yung ginagawa mo?
We're going to mix the coffee.
So ayun, we're done cooking the jelly. Now we're going to set it here. Careful, it's hot. Shouldn't we put it kanina? Are you sure? Guys, hindi to cooking show ha, so huwag niyo susundin ha. Hindi namin alam ginagawa na, pero struggle kami sa lamin. Bandang. Sure ka talaga sa kape? Are you sure?
Yes, then one there.
Oh my God. Ayun, nalagay na namin yung gulaman in the ear. Yung mga lalagyan. Marami, puno yung pot. Sayang, dapat pala isang gelatin lang kasi ang dami natira.
We're going to put this container aside para mag-cool lang siya ng konti.
So here are the gelatins. We are cooling them so they will set. So right now, mag-dinner muna kami. Napaka-init ko sa baon. Napakasarap. Parehas na ng dessert na coffee jelly. So hi guys, we're back. And after our dinner, so yun, after 20 minutes, so yun, after 20 minutes of freezing the jelly, tapos freeze na namin na din yung, well, chill na namin yung syrup ng coffee jelly. Meron tayong judge, aking nanay. So now we're going to put it into cubes na. Yeah. Well, firm naman siya in fairness.
Siyempre.
Kasi namin yung judge. Lagyan mo na namin yung mga coffee jelly dito. Woo! So ikapatin mo namin siya. So pinagkakaguluhan na po yung coffee jelly namin. Comment. Okay? Comment.
Yummy.
Yummy. Burns.
Yeah. Montage. So thank you guys so much for watching our cooking show. Not cooking show. So that is all for our vlog today. Thank you very much for watching our not cooking show. Okay? So huwag isusundin. Pero masarap siya. In fairness. Sugar Rush. So this is Casey Gardner and
Sean!
So this is Casey Gardner and
Sean!
where your world meets ours. Bye!
Good.
Init! Bye!